Me say I feel what's the sun. Two bars, you baby girl, man, son. Right, what's you, baby girl, don't see son. Two bars, you the big man, shiver. Yeah, me say I know what's the sun.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, on this channel, we're gonna be discussing a number of stuff. We're gonna be discussing how you can look and feel good, although being a busy mother. I can relate. The name, Mommy Twinny. I got two boys, twins, very energetic. You see them in some of my videos. But today's video is gonna be about how to rock a no makeup look without makeup. So if you're interested in getting from this to this, stay watching. So for this look, what are you gonna need? You're gonna need a freshly washed face. And now I'll be applying my moisturizer. This is from my local drugstore. It's a day cream with vitamin E in it. And I also like to use my Intensive Hydro Balm. And this is also from my local, drugstore. And I'm gonna be applying this all over my face. Moisture, done. Next, we'll be applying our primer. And we won't need much of that, just a little bit as well. For the brows. Whoop. A little bit of primer goes a long way. And it's just for on top of the eyebrows. See, just on top of the eyebrows. Like so. And since I've moisturized my face, applying or drying the eyebrow is going to be a bit slippery. So what I like to do is I like to put on some powder only on top of my eyebrows so that it makes it easier to draw my eyebrows. I take a baby powder and I dab this baby powder on my brows. Yes, you can also go out like this if you want to. If you want to scare your neighbors, that is. So probably might do that one day. See what my neighbors think of this. Apply this on your eyebrows. And you're probably thinking like, why so much? I like to have it nice and dry before I draw my brows. It gives me a better grip, actually. So, well, I have some left, and what I do with the rest is I just apply it on the rest of my face because my face is oily, so it's going to shine eventually, like before I go to bed. So since it's, it's just powder, I dab it on the rest of my face just to make it matte. And now we're gonna be drawing the eyebrows. And I love this pencil. It's from the local beauty supply, Hema. And it's in the shade 09 or like darkest brown that there is. Before you start with drawing your eyebrows, you're gonna be combing your hairs up. Comb it up. Do the other one as well. And what I do is I start, of course you start from the bottom, but I go like so. I follow the shape of my own brow. Like this. See? And now up. I don't, because I brushed it up, you've brushed it up of course. But I don't, I try to draw like a little bit underneath it so that it doesn't look very, very broad. If I'm making any sense. And I follow the natural shape of that as well. And bring it out. Bring it out. This is my shablon. Some people use a shablon. You can use that if you want, but I've never used that and I'm very clumsy, so that doesn't work for me. And now we go over to the next brow. You do the same thing. gently. And what I always say is that your eyebrows, they are siblings. So, meaning they don't look alike. So they aren't exactly the same. And so there you have both eyebrows. We are not done yet, because, well, unless you want to walk around like this, it's fine. But now I'll be going over it with my eyebrow gel, also from my local beauty supply. And what I love about this eyebrow gel is that it has color. So it's in the color brown, and it taints the eyebrows, which helps with the filling in. You go over it, and just to make your hair obey you. Sorry. And I'm sorry for sounding like this. It's like this is my morning voice. Ooh. Afterwards, I like to make my eyebrows pop. So I use an eyebrow pen to line out what I have drawn. Like this. So. Like so. Like this. Done. So now we're going to be filling in the brows. Take your brow pencil. First of all, use your spoolie to brush the hairs and brush out the gel that you just used. So we're going to continue coloring it in and using our spoolie to even it out. I don't know if that makes sense. And we do that same for the other eyebrow. Like so. And I like to go over it with a little darker shade, so the black pencil, just to make it pop a little bit more. And of course you can lengthen it to your own desired length, but remember that your eyebrow is supposed to end before your eye, so it shouldn't end up here, as it were, because that won't look good. Yep, like so. And of course you will clean up the excess powder with a Q-tip or with your fingers, like me. You rub it off, and the look is basically done. And of course, we're gonna be doing our lips, because to complete the whole look, I like to use a eye pencil, a lip pencil, yeah, lip pencil for my lips. You don't have to, you can just put on a gloss and be done. But I like to line up my lips and use a lipstick. I like to go for nude, and I like to combine my colors, but I don't have the other color here. Great. But today then I'll just go for a nude look. Usually I combine nude with black. And it makes it look purple. And last but not least, I go over it with my matte sleek lip balm. Is it lip balm or lip gloss? Sorry, lip gloss. And I love this lip gloss because it literally stays all day. And done, people. We are done. So we did not use any foundation, neither do we use any concealer, but only doing our eyebrows and our lips, we have a natural glow and we can rock our outfits and be on the way. So if you like this movie, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on my next video.
Me say I feel what's the sun, two bars you, baby girl, man, son. Right, what's you, baby girl, don't see sun, two bars you, you make man shiver. Yeah, me say I know what's the sun.